Hello, WooThemes support. My name is Michael Lasky, and I am creating a feature or bug or support request for an installation of Support Press, ironically. And I have it installed on onewebsite.ca, and onewebsite.ca is a multi-site installation. So onewebsite.ca is my website development company, and I develop websites for myself and a few other people. And right now I'm trying to actually play with the notion of having a multi-site install of my client sites, project management sites. So all these sports tech, these are just the first four I'm testing this with. And you can see on each site there is Support Press installed. Every site has Support Press installed. And I'm running into some issues that I believe have been somewhat addressed in this support topic, 78818, notification email in the Support Press theme support forum. Now, this one I just discussed how users are getting comments from their tickets, and that's the basis for my entire question. So my support request is that I'm not getting these notifications. When somebody creates a new ticket on the Master Cleanse support website, I don't get notified. Some people do get notified, others don't. So on this site here, this particular individual site, the Master Cleanse Support Press site, there's these users here. And we've been testing tickets, assigning certain tickets to each individual. I would create a ticket, assign it to Steve, he would get it. I create a ticket and I assign it to me and I don't get it, but Trevor gets it. I would create a ticket and assign it to Trevor, he doesn't get it, but Steve gets it. And so this has been happening on and off for all of the sites that we have installed here, and especially more and more since we add new ones. So the first question is does Support Press really work with multi-site? I just am getting the impression that perhaps it doesn't, but it seems like this is a very involved and complex set of working parts that may be causing this issue. First of all, there's the WordPress admin email address, because that's where notifications tend to go to, and we have that set up as currently team at themastercleanse.org. And there's also the question of the hosting service, so the email address sent from the PHP script that Support Press is using. Perhaps that is coming from WordPress at themastercleanse.org or some other version of that email address. In fact, we're seeing it come from Riddler at DreamHost, which is where this whole website is being hosted by. We see it becoming emails showing up via sports tech apps or via sports networkers. So they seem to be getting bounced around and redirected. And finally, we're also using Google Apps to host the email for the Master Cleanse. And we're just sort of trying to test this group system so that we can get notifications for the team. And so there's a couple support there's a couple of Support Press general questions I have for setting up best practices, like how can you assign a ticket where more than one person is responsible. And so we were just tagging those people, but that was why we created a user called team and then put them in a group in Google Apps and then put everybody in that group, so if we assigned the ticket to the team, everybody would get notified. So you could consider that a feature request for Support Press. Also, I guess a quick little feature request would be how to set a default status. In any case, the biggest question I have is how much should I chase my tail with figuring out whether or not this is a viable solution for me to have a similar working environment as a project management site for our websites that we build in-house. Now, I do have a website, a similar system set up at dev.onewebsite.ca, which I use internally for the different software developments that we have in-house. And it seems to me that FaultPress, which is the theme I'm using on all of those installs, actually out of the box superficially supports multi-site, because it shows me the different multi-site sites right on the install here, right in the front end, right in the menu. And so perhaps that service works a little bit better. That theme will be a better solution for us than the support press. So I guess I'm looking for a fairly in-depth answer here, like, should we work together to try to solve this issue? Will it be helpful for you in your future development? If not, should I abort using support press if FaultPress is a better solution for me? And I guess just overall looking for some direction on how I can get this great theme and a great start towards what could be a very useful ticketing system for a multi-site install to keep most of my projects under one roof. So that's all I have for now. I'm Michael Lasky, and thanks so much for your time. Bye-bye.